Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Path to Fluent English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, I am so happy to be here. Today, we are going to talk about our daily routine.
Exactly. Talking about your routine is very useful. It helps you speak with confidence and make new friends.
Actually, I have a funny story about that. Yesterday, I wanted to say I eat breakfast very fast.
Oh, what did you say?
I told my neighbors, "Hello, everyone. I always destroy my breakfast at 7 o'clock." They looked very scared.
Oh no, a mistake is just a sign that you are trying. Destroy sounds a bit dangerous.
Thanks. I feel better now. It was a bit awkward, but I am learning.
Good. Before we start our daily guide, please click the subscribe button right now, and please like this video.
Yes, sharing is caring, everyone. Please like and subscribe to join our global family.
Today, we use a chronological timeline. This means we go step by step from morning to night.
Chronological timeline? That is a fancy phrase, friend. What does it mean?
It means we follow the order of time, first things first. Let's look at the morning part.
In the morning, I wake up early. Then I prepare my coffee.
Prepare? Do you know what prepare means?
Oh, it means to make something ready, like making tea, cooking food, or cutting fruit.
Right. Good job. To prepare means to make ready. After that, I start my morning commute.
Commute? What is that?
It is the regular journey you make to go to work or school, like riding the bus or driving.
I see. My commute is very long. I ride the train for 40 minutes every single morning.
After the morning commute, we start the afternoon routine. In the afternoon, I have many tasks.
Tasks? Are those jobs, duties, or specific pieces of work you must finish?
Exactly. Tasks are your daily work items. I also collaborate with my team to finish them.
Collaborate. I know that one. It means to work together with other people on a project.
Yes, we collaborate to finish our tasks on time. After that, I have a big lunch break.
A lunch break is essential. I am always so hungry at noon.
Essential, that is a great word. It means very important and completely necessary. You cannot skip it.
Oh yes, eating is completely necessary for me. After lunch, the afternoon is over. Now it is the evening.
In the evening, I go back home. I try to stay very organized in my house.
Organized. Does that mean everything is tidy, clean, and in the right place?
Yes, my house is neat and I have a clear plan. Then I like to socialize.
Socialize. You mean you spend time talking to friends or neighbors for fun?
Right. We talk, laugh, and have a good time together. Finally, it's bedtime.
At bedtime, I like to unwind.
Unwind. What a beautiful word. What does it mean?
It means to relax and stop thinking about work or stress. I listen to soft music to unwind.
Perfect. That completes our beautiful timeline layout. But let's stretch our wings and explore these steps in much deeper detail.
Oh yes, let do that. Let talk more about the morning routine first.
Excellent idea. In the morning, after I prepare my coffee, I also prepare my clothes and my bag.
Ah, you prepare everything. I am usually very slow in the morning. I need time to open my eyes.
That is completely normal. Many people need a quiet morning. My morning commute helps me wake up.
Really? For me, the morning commute is very boring. I just sit on the train and look out the window.
Well, you can use your commute time to listen to our English podcast. That makes it fun.
Wow, that is a brilliant idea. Listening to English during my commute is very smart.
Exactly. Now, let's think about the afternoon. You mentioned you have many tasks at work.
Yes, I have to type documents, answer phone calls, and check folders. Those are my main tasks.
And when you collaborate with your coworkers, do you speak in English or your native language?
We try to use English when we collaborate. It helps us practice our vocabulary together.
That is wonderful. When you collaborate, you can solve problems much faster than when you work alone.
True, teamwork makes the work easy. But after all those tasks, my brain is tired. I need that essential lunch break.
Yes, a lunch break gives your brain a rest. It is essential for focus and energy.
After the afternoon work is done, we enter the evening phase again. You said you stay organized at home.
Yes, I like an organized kitchen. It means my ingredients are ready before I start cooking dinner.
I need to be more organized. My kitchen is usually a complete disaster when I cook.
Don't worry, you can learn to be organized step by step. Just put things back in their place immediately.
Good advice. And what about socializing? Do you socialize online or in person?
I prefer to socialize in person. It's nice to sit at a table with friends and talk face to face.
I agree. Socializing online is okay, but meeting friends in person is much better.
Absolutely. And then, when the night comes, it's time to unwind completely.
Yes, to unwind means to let go of all the thoughts from the day. I turn off my phone.
Turning off your phone is a perfect way to unwind. It stops your brain from thinking about work tasks.
Exactly. Then I can sleep peacefully all night long.
Perfect. Let's remember the main points together.
Let's remember the main points together. Point 1. Use a timeline. Start with the morning and prepare your coffee.
Point 2. In the afternoon, finish your daily tasks and collaborate with your team.
Point 3. In the evening, stay organized at home and socialize with your friends.
Point 4. At bedtime, unwind with music or a book to relax your mind before sleep.
Wait, we must visit the mistake lab now.
Oh, right. Don't say, I go to my work today. Just say, I go to work.
And remember the preposition for time. Say, I wake up at 7 o'clock, not in 7 o'clock.
Correct. Also, don't say, make a party with friends. Say, have a party.
Have a party. Got it. Now we have a question for our friends in the comments.
Tell us about your daily routine. What do you prepare in the morning?
Try to use our new words like prepare, commute, or unwind. We believe in you.
Keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.